This bad boy here is a 30-litre pressurized water tank, so you can have pressurized water on the go. Should be a nice addition to the car. Let's get it on. Alright, so it's a pretty long, large water tank. Cut this open. A few boxes there, we'll check those out in a sec. The main water tank itself. So this is part of their San Hima brand. You'll find that one of their prominent products on their website. So we've got it all out of the box now. I'll just talk you through the little components of it. So here on the top, that's your refill point. You've got your cap on the top there for pressurizing the tank. On the far end, that's where the hose clamp will go into. On this side here, you've got the track for the hose to sit in. On the bottom, you've got the mounting track for your roof racks. And then there's also one on the other side, which I assume as well you'd be able to move these hose clamps over to the other side to make it more convenient for you. The tank holds 30 litres, and a lot of the reports say if you obviously put it up on your roof, it's going to get nice and hot, so you can have nice pressurised hot water to clean up stuff after a day out. Instruction manual, bag of bolts. Okay, so you got lever for the water flow, got all your brackets. This will be the tool for opening up the end. Something that you don't normally get is a ratchet spanner. I don't own a single one, so this is my first. This one. Nozzle on the end. It's actually really high quality. It's actually really nice. And then, as I said, you got the male and female ports for the hose on the end. Guess we'll have a bit of a play around with it and see how we're going to fit it. Moment of truth, pressurise, take the gun off, turn the valve, and we'll get it.
Did you just wet my car?
Yeah, just short.
Oh.
So it's pressurised, not that it's going to hurt you when it hits you. It's a good level, but definitely pretty powerful. You've also got different nozzle attachments on the end, so you can have a nice spray and actually use it as a shower if you wanted to. 12-man shower, pretty convenient. This is actually fantastic. I mean, I'd say that's a resounding success. And if you want to as well, you got the option to replace the nozzle with something different if you want to go to a different one. But this is fantastic. It's got multiple modes, and then again, the safe storage. You can also just release the water that way. So that's another quality product from San Hima. I bloody love the thing. We haven't really had a shower solution. We've tried the hot water bag and that sort of stuff, but the pressure's never there. And then the water storage just comes out of your holdings. So a solution where you can whack something up on the roof, you get natural heat automatically, and then pressurized water is the perfect solution. Apart from showers, I think we'll also use it for doing the washing up. It's a nice quick solution, especially if the water's hot. To spray your pans and get that initial clean, to really get the grit off your pans. They set you back about 550 bucks. When you see the quality components that go into it, you'll understand why you're paying that kind of money for it. Everything from the brackets to the ratchet spanners to the actual construction of the water tank itself, it was able to hold my weight standing on top of it. So thanks again, cheers.